breathe out. You breathe out. First, you breathe in, and you breathe out. You breathe in. Oh.
And when do you do that?
That's how you calm down all the time. That when you're so mad.
And it works.
And it's like magic. That was the only do before.
Perfect.